Have you ever wished for a natural way to lose weight without the stress of restrictive diets or exhausting workouts? You're not alone. Millions of people are searching for sustainable and effective alternatives to weight loss medications like Mounjaro, which has gained popularity for delivering rapid results. But while medications can be helpful for some, they often come with side effects, costs, or dependency risks. So, what if you could achieve similar benefits using ingredients straight from your kitchen? Today, we're introducing a powerful, all-natural recipe that mirrors the benefits of Mounjaro. This natural Mounjaro drink combines 4 potent, research-backed ingredients: cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and yerba mate. These components work together to enhance your metabolism, balance blood sugar, fight inflammation, and reduce cravings, all while supporting your digestive system. To make this easy yet effective drink, start with 1 cup of hot water. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, a great source of vitamin C that boosts immunity and detoxifies the body. Then mix in half a teaspoon of ground ginger, known for its ability to ease digestion. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Stir everything together and let it steep for 5 minutes. Drink it warm on an empty stomach each morning for optimal benefits. Each ingredient offers unique health advantages. Cinnamon plays a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, reducing insulin resistance, and preventing the spikes and crashes that lead to intense cravings. This makes it easier to stick to healthier eating habits throughout the day. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation can interfere with metabolism and contribute to obesity, so reducing it can help restore your body's fat-burning potential. Curcumin also supports liver function, which is key for detoxification and fat breakdown. Ginger not only improves digestion, but also stimulates thermogenesis. Yerba mate, a traditional South American tea, is a natural stimulant that enhances energy levels and improves mental focus without the crash associated with coffee. It also contains compounds that promote fat oxidation and suppress appetite. Together, these ingredients create a hormone-balancing synergy. By addressing the root causes of weight gain, such as hormonal imbalances, inflammation, poor digestion, and energy crashes, this drink provides a holistic solution. And the results speak for themselves. Take Sarah, for example. After years of failed diets and frustration, she began incorporating this drink. Over a few months, she lost 45 pounds without starving herself or spending hours at the gym. She felt more energized, slept better, and regained confidence in her body. And she's not alone. Many others have reported similar success using this gentle yet powerful daily habit. To maximize the benefits, drink it consistently every morning. Pair it with a whole food-based diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Stay hydrated throughout the day and aim for at least 30 minutes of movement daily. Even a brisk walk can help amplify results. Sleep and stress management also play crucial roles in weight regulation, so don't overlook them. This natural approach promotes long-term, sustainable weight loss. Instead of relying on harsh restrictions or synthetic drugs, you're supporting your body's natural systems. So, why not try it? Embrace this simple recipe and discover how nature can help you feel healthier, more energized, and in control of your weight, naturally. One of the greatest advantages of this natural approach is its focus on overall wellness, not just weight loss. Many quick-fix diets or medications aim solely at shedding pounds, often ignoring the broader picture of hormonal health, gut balance, and mental clarity. The natural Mounjaro recipe, however, supports your body holistically. When your digestion is functioning properly, your hormones are balanced. Another important aspect is the impact on gut health, which is often overlooked in conventional weight loss methods. Ingredients like ginger and turmeric act as natural antimicrobial agents, reducing harmful bacteria while promoting beneficial gut flora. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved metabolism. This drink may improve immune function, reduce brain fog, and elevate mood. Hydration plays a role, rehydrating the body after sleep, kickstarting metabolism, and flushing out toxins. Lemon juice enhances cleansing by stimulating the liver and improving bowel production, aiding fat digestion. The result is a cleaner internal system and a more efficient metabolic process. The recipe is accessible and budget-friendly, unlike costly weight loss supplements. Ingredients are easy to find, requiring no prescription or complicated regimen. Mixing the drink takes minutes each morning, supporting your health journey. It offers a natural energy lift, with yerba mate providing a smooth boost without anxiety or jitters. Users report weight loss, improved performance, and mental clarity. Personalize the drink with cayenne pepper for thermogenic kick or honey for sweetness and antioxidants. Brew the mixture ahead for a refreshing iced version. The recipe's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into any lifestyle, offering benefits beyond weight loss. Many report reduced bloating, clearer skin, fewer sugar cravings, and better sleep, indicating a balanced and resilient body. It's about restoring vitality from the inside out. Consistency is key. Results don't happen overnight, but daily use with mindful eating and exercise can shift your body toward a healthier, energized state. Think of it as a gentle reset, reconnecting with your body and allowing nature to work. Start tomorrow with this powerful blend for sustainable weight loss and better health. Set realistic expectations. Natural weight loss takes time, promoting slow, steady progress that's likely to last. It's a lifestyle shift, not a short-term fix. Each day you take the drink, move your body, and nourish with whole foods, you're investing in a stronger, resilient self. Track progress with non-scale victories. Pay attention to clothes fitting better, reduced bloating, clearer skin, improved mood, and focus. These signs show positive body response to changes. You're not just losing weight, you're gaining health. The recipe helps regulate hormones linked to hunger and fat storage, like insulin, cortisol, and ghrelin. Cinnamon and turmeric improve insulin sensitivity and reduce cortisol levels, often elevated by stress and poor sleep. Balanced hormones reduce abdominal fat. The drink stabilizes blood sugar and increases satiety, reducing cravings for sugary or salty snacks. Users report less pull toward junk food with consistent use. Consider adding supportive practices like a morning walk in sunlight, boosting metabolism and regulating circadian rhythm for better sleep quality. Quality sleep is crucial for fat loss, as poor rest increases hunger hormones and impairs recovery. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day, reducing ultra-processed foods, and eating mindfully are also small changes that amplify your results. For those with busy schedules, don't worry. This drink doesn't require any fancy preparation or expensive tools. You can even prepare it in batches for a few days at a time. Just store it in the fridge in a sealed glass container and reheat or enjoy it chilled. The key is consistency, not perfection. Lastly, this isn't just a recipe, it's a reminder of what's possible when we turn to nature. In a world filled with quick fixes, it's empowering to know that true wellness can be found in the simplest of rituals. Your health journey is unique, and small steps can lead to big transformations. Whether you want to lose weight, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, or just feel better. This natural Mounjaro-inspired drink can be a powerful ally. Embrace it as a daily act of self-care. Over time, you may be amazed at how much better you feel, not just lighter, but stronger, calmer, and more in control. So go ahead, give it a try. With patience and persistence, you'll discover that lasting change doesn't require extremes. Sometimes, all it takes is 1 cup of healing ingredients each morning to spark a healthier, happier you. One of the most empowering parts of this journey is realizing that you're in control. You don't need to wait for the perfect diet, the next trending supplement, or a gym membership to start making progress. With just a few simple ingredients and a few minutes each day, you can begin creating momentum toward your health goals. Building healthy habits doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul overnight. It begins with consistent, small actions, and this drink can be your starting point. Let's also touch on the science of habit formation. Studies show it takes around 21 to 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic. By integrating this natural drink into your morning routine, you're anchoring a healthy habit at the start of each day. That first choice, making your metabolism-boosting beverage, often sets the tone for the choices that follow. Choosing a nutritious breakfast, opting for water over soda, getting movement in, or going to bed on time. One good habit leads to another. Additionally, drinking something warm and healing first thing in the morning has a psychological benefit. It signals to your mind and body that you're prioritizing your health, reinforcing a positive mindset. This mental shift is critical. When you begin to view weight loss as an act of self-care rather than self-punishment, the journey becomes far more enjoyable and sustainable. Many people also report improved emotional regulation after starting this daily ritual. This may be because ingredients like turmeric and ginger don't just support digestion, they've also been linked to mood enhancement. Curcumin in turmeric, for instance, has been shown in several studies to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein associated with mental clarity and emotional stability. Feeling better mentally often leads to better choices physically. Another unique benefit of this drink is how it helps break the late-night eating cycle, because it stabilizes blood sugar and reduces daytime cravings. You're less likely to binge at night, one of the most common contributors to weight gain. When blood sugar levels stay balanced, so does your appetite. Instead of constant hunger or emotional snacking, you'll feel more in tune with your body's true needs. This method also respects your bio-individuality. Everyone's metabolism is different. While some people see fast results, others may notice subtler shifts like less bloating, better sleep, or clearer skin first. These are all signs your body is healing from the inside out. Stick with it. Transformation takes time, but the results are lasting and life-changing. Don't be afraid to tweak the recipe based on how your body responds. Some people like to add apple cider vinegar for added gut benefits, or swap lemon for lime. You might even choose to enjoy a second cup mid-afternoon for a natural energy boost and to avoid the late-day slump. Listen to your body, it knows what it needs. As you continue this path, remember, this isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and kind to yourself. Progress is never linear. There will be days when you slip or feel discouraged, but that doesn't mean you've failed. Every new day is another opportunity to start fresh, with one simple, powerful cup. Another powerful element of this natural Mounjaro approach is the sense of empowerment it brings. You're not outsourcing your health to pills or quick-fix gimmicks, you're taking ownership of it. That shift in mindset from helplessness to action can be transformational. It builds confidence,